There she is. The Johnny Boat Bass 100. This is an updated video of the aftermath of what happened a couple videos ago when my trolling motor died on me on the Potomac River. Feel Free was so great. They shipped out a new motor on a Friday and it came on my doorstep Monday night. This is the unboxing of the motor and the complete assembly of the entire motor. I hope this helps anyone out there that's getting a steerable motor. Feel Free stands behind their product, and I noticed some changes to this motor that I didn't see in the last motor, and I'll fill you in a little bit later. Down. That's the way it's supposed to turn. That's your power button. Your battery meter. And you got your kill switch. And you have your directional arrow for when you're steering with the 8-ball steering mechanism. Pretty simple setup. Just attach this to this, and then it goes on your boat. Good to go. You got your trolling motor. It looks good. Let's take a look on the inside and see what we got. That's what she looks like on the inside. Get a prop. Get one prop. Get the prop nut, all the tools to go along with it. Get a kill switch. Kill switch goes right here. The motor won't start unless you have this kill switch attached on here. So it's supposed to help you if you fall off the boat and you got the engine still rolling. It'll stop the engine and you can get back on your boat. Got the battery clip. You put your lithium battery inside. I have a 55 amp battery that fits right inside. Got your battery cables. So all the controls sit up in here. And I'll show you some pictures of what this looks like on the inside of the old one. That broke down. And that's pretty much it. One of the things that I've noticed is that this prop on the new motor is much bigger than the original. Take this off first. Pull out your prop. You're going to get your tools. match this up. It's got a horizontal line right there. You match it up with this right here. And it should slide right in. There you go. Then you get your washer and your nut. Put your washer on first. Then you put your nut on. Then you put the nut on, just like this. And then you take this handy dandy tool and tighten it in. Tighten it till it won't go anymore. And there you have it. Probs installed. Okay, this is how you install the kill switch. Just want to attach this to here. Alright, here's your kill switch. This is what you attach to your life jacket. This right here. And then the other end is what you attach to the actual kill switch. Just like that. All you got left to do is attach this to your life jacket and you're done. Alright, this is the bad boy that goes inside. This right here. These are your two terminals. They screw on. Got your positive, got your neutral. And you just take these two cords, your battery terminals, the red and the black, and you match them up accordingly. Take the negative and run negative. Okay, and there's a screw. The nut is all the way in there. The one you have to loosen up so you can steer it left and right. Once you got all your cables connected, shut it all down. Power now. See, we got power. Let's see if it comes on. And it works. Alright. is. And there you have it. That's how you connect.